What's up everyone? Today we're going to be trying to change out the oxygen sensor. Upstream one. It's right here. It's pretty simple. Just goes from here into here, and then it's just got the electrical connection right here. It's this 2015 Chevy Sonic. So let's go ahead and get into it. We'll start over here. This is the connector. It's a little tab right here. Pop right out. Pop that out of there. Now this is 22 millimeter. It's really hard to get to it though. You need something like this that has this 22 millimeter but allows you to get in. And even this, it's going to be tough to get in, and I'm going to have to cut it first. I'm going to put some. Make sure you do this while it's cold, because this thing's going to be extremely hot. So this is cold, hasn't been driven. So I'm going to put some WD-40. Let's see what the new one now that's plugged in. To get this around it, this socket. They make some specifically for this. I just happen to have this one. It's 22 millimeter, and it will go around it and allow all the way up to right in the end of where this silver ends. It should go in there. So if I can cut the other one right at that silver point, that would be good. I'm going to give it a try anyway here. I'm going to cut these wires right here. I'm changing this anyway. Let's see if now with that, this thing will work. Got a hard time getting in there. See if I can cut a little lower on here. There we go. Now we've cut off this piece. And now I can get that in there. Okay, so I'll break it loose. Look at that, this thing spins all the way around. Look at that. And so here's the new one, obviously. Here's the old one. I cut, got it out. Okay, so now we can put the new one in. Now as we screw this in, we're going to kind of turn the white cord with it. Tighten it, I had to figure a way to squeeze this in there. Just a regular size wrench. I'm able to tighten it. Okay. And put it back where it was here. Put the connection back. There you go, it's a little click. We have a new oxygen sensor installed. And I've done harder jobs, but it was kind of tough. So I don't know why they got to make it like that.